unless we're trying to get some action, so if we're doing something very like sporty, like, and I want you to be in action while doing a studio shoot, then like, yeah, totally fine, but if it has to be like dictated before. So if you're moving around, I'm gonna be like trying to do this, and I'll have the lights set up in a very specific way to try to get like very intense mood or very like just good light overall. So if you're moving all over the place, it's gonna change the lighting, and like, you know, sometimes I can fix it, but it's also just more editing in Photoshop, so it's just, yeah. And then it's just not fun for anybody either. So for the best result, moving in between each frame, as far as facial expressions, hands, poses, those are huge. When using your hands, don't be showing big hands. You like, unless it's for a very specific reason, like maybe if you were doing a Super Bowl ad, then big hands on a football or something could be something you want, but again, it has to be a very particular reason. And don't just assume like they should dictate it, like whether it's the photographer or if it's a company or something that's having you do it. But for the most part, you want small hands, you don't want them big and distracting. If you have a hand in front of your face, you don't want this, you want like this, something small to the side. The sides of your hands are generally the best looking. You don't want big veiny hands unless it's very specific. Those are my biggest